Why'd you just try to bounce it on your face?
I don't know. I'ma rap like Little B and not make sense.
And then you're
20 on my dick cause it tastes like sand.
1, 2, 1, 2, testing, yeah. Okay, yeah. Kill the runway.
Rapping off the top, cause I know I got 10s.
Turn it off. Turn it down.
You just killed my flow, man.
My bad.
Flow, man.
My bad.
What song is that? Like cut.
The girls on my dick cause it tastes like broken glass.
Wow!
Beach bums. Volume 1.
Oh, the breasts are bubbling.
Hey, Beach Life, we're trying to open a bottle with a bottle. Oh, he actually did.
Sorry for that.
I had no confidence.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm the freaking man, and he's got some drink in his hands, and I don't like on my computer spam, and
I want rhyme. Chronic masturbator with the aviator.
Darren Jones at Beaver my balls, cause the girls like the beaver and they beaver the balls, and then they fever the balls, and then they rub on the walls.
oh, shit. And I keep the rhymes flowing like Niagara Falls.
Oh! What? Touchdown, motherfucker! Hey, sexy lady. I'm cooking up something special for you. Do Cyrus.
That's a Cyrus?
Yeah, yo.
How?
The white version. Cook it up. Cook it up. Cook it up. Some people think just because their name's Cyrus, they know how to do the Cyrus. Bieber my balls, touch my crotch. I wipe my hair off, then I do it like that. Bieber my balls, touch my crotch. I wipe my hairs off, then I do it like that. I Bieber my balls, then I touch my crotch. Wipe my hair.
His name is Buzz Killington. He says, "All right, guys, let's go home. It's gonna rain.
His name is Buzz Killington.
We should go home right now, cause it's gonna rain. Let's pack up our things, cause it's gonna rain."
Sir Buzz Killington, what do you have to say for yourself?
That's my name.
I said, rain, go away. Don't come back for another day. Precipitation starts in the east, then it moves west and hits my body crease.
Rain, don't rain on me. Rain, makes me wanna pee. Rain, we shall fucking see. Rain.
Fancy footwear in the flip flops.
Rain. No.
Ah.
I can't.
Try.
What? No cuss, no anus. This is real shit, nigga.
Rain.
Do it again!
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now you got
The white
fans,
girls
bro.
always holler.
You gotta follow him on Twitter though.
Real gangsters. Do cartwheels. Yo, real talk. You can't cartwheel. You ain't gangster, yo.
Okay, let me put my phone down. Side Twitter.
Oh, 3. Go for the 3. Go for the 4. Go for the. Yo.
Are you kidding me?
You don't have it like that, guys.
You did the backflip twisted twirly. You didn't do the cartwheel.
C1. I think we should probably go home, cause it's really windy. It's really windy right now. I think we should go home.
It's raining, thunderstorm. I feel like it's gonna come down. I don't know what to do. I'm scared for my life. Shit, what would you do in a situation like this? Hurricane Katrina, clouds.
Run, Buzz Killington, run! C1's gonna go take a dump. Then he's gonna go wipe his rump. Then with the same hand, he's gonna wash his face. And he's gonna go to the car in a race. Run.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, it's a green circle with Syruslife in the middle.